this used to have scissor brakes. Now I've upgraded them to V-brakes. They stop much better than the other old ones that I used to have. Also got a freestyle steering, and I used some old parts from the old one, and here it is. A nice brand new BMX Dino, 27 years old. These were made, but they're real stickers. I made them in Photoshop, then I had them printed out in sticker. This is to hold my cable because I don't have the sponges anymore, but it does the job. Hey guys, if you liked the video, please subscribe to our channel, give us a thumbs up, and we'll see you soon in a new video.